Good evening, everyone. Harsh, ask your team members to join the session. Then we will start with the presentation. Okay, so good evening, everyone. I think we can start. So, yes, Harsh and Vivek, any one of you can share your screen and let me know that what have you created up to now. Okay, okay, okay. So, who is left from your group? Isha and yes, yes. Oh, okay, okay. So we are going to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay. Just drop a message in your group that they can join. Okay, okay. Good evening, sir. Uh, Good evening, Prashant.
Sir, I just want to know, like today we have to show only the last project or all the five ones.
Sorry, Prashant, what?
Sir, I just want to know, like today we have to submit, today we have to show the last week five project or all five projects of all weeks.
Uh, Today you have to show me that as a 6th week project, what you have created up to now. So basically, that is a session for reviewing the 6th week project.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay,
Yes.
sir.
So I guess you are not in any group. So have you created it individually?
Sir, no, I am in group. Sir, no, actually, I am in that WhatsApp group, but sir, not in any these kinds of group on the.
Yes, so you have not joined the session. That's why you are not in any group for the sixth week
Alright, sir.
project. So
Yes, sir.
if, yeah,
So that I
so
had completed all projects and everything.
sorry, what?
So I had completed all the projects of all weeks.
Okay, okay. You have created all the mini projects, right?
Yes, sir. All the mini projects. And so one major project I'm also working on. So that's a
Okay.
project from fourth one, basically based on measurement, and so another one is on health system analysis. So those are my major projects. Those are basically fully backend and everything.
For major project, what you have opted?
So one is basic. So one is health tracking system. So there is based on like health-based AI.
Prashant, your voice is breaking actually. Like, if I am audible to you, then you have to opt for the major project from Mati AI and Global Connect. So out of those two, you have to select for one the major project.
There's a global connect and
Mati AI. I have already shared that in the respective groups of yours.
yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Yeah, so you have to create based on that. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you. Uh, yes, so Isha still hasn't joined. And guys, just quickly let me know you that what things you have to remember. First of all, that 13th is the last date to submit the major project. Okay. On 30th, there is a presentation session, which is the final presentation. Today is your review session where I will check that up to what you have created and are you guys working on the projects or not. Okay. Second thing is that with this major project, I want each like five mini projects were also there. So that must be completed. And out of those five projects, you have to provide the live link for any three projects, whatever you want. Okay. So please also deploy it at your end. GitHub repository is already there. Just deploy those projects. Out of five mini projects, three must be deployed. And the final project is necessary to deploy. And you have to provide us the live link for the final project. Okay, so I hope that it is clear. First of all, what you have to do, you have to complete all the five mini projects and this major project. Then out of that five mini projects, mini projects must have their live link also. Live link means deployed link. And for this major project, it is necessary mandatory to provide the live link. And you can send it to hr@gncipl.com. Let me just provide the email in the chat box. So Harsh, you have to also create one more because if you are not going to complete five minute project, then you will not get the certificate. Okay, so I will cross check that on 13th while taking the major project presentation. I will check individually each group members five mini project also in the GitHub. So up to then you have the time to complete that. So
Sure.
five mini plus major project with the live links.
Sir, I have one more doubt, please.
Yes, Prashant.
So actually, sir, on some days, like my attendance is a little low. मतलब मैंने सारी classes attend नहीं कर पाया था. So, but mostly I attend most of the classes and तो उससे कोई like merit तो नहीं होगा. But I had completed all the projects.
Okay, okay, no problem. Just complete the project, give your final presentation good, and I will see about is your all five mini projects are completed. On based of that, you will get the certificate. Okay, so if you have completed all
Okay.
the necessary things, then we will consider you for the certification. But if there is any issue with you while you were not attend, why you have not attended those sessions, then just explain that also. Okay, so that
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
yes, yes, Hers, you can do that. Okay, and this is the mail where you have to share the group. This is the mail. See, you can do one thing, like you can provide week one and then the GitHub repository or live link of that project. Okay. Then week two, that live link. Week three, live link. Week four, live link of that project. So with that template, you can share all the week five projects. And then at last, you can also send the week six major project link over there. Okay. So that will be good for me to also check so that I can verify, okay, that all the five codes are there, like all the five repositories or live links are there. Out of five mini projects, it is mandatory that three must be deployed. Okay. So three out of five mini projects must be deployed. I hope that it is clear to you. So now I think we can start with the presentation part. Like deploy on Netlify, Versal, and Render. Just I want the live link so that we can click it and we can see that whatever you have created. Okay, that is for that. And I will cross check that have you sent the mail or not on 13th. Okay, so just do that. That create all the five mini projects. Out of three is mandatory that you can provide their live link also, and the major project must be there deployed. So Vivek, is your all of you ready for the presentation?
Yes, sir. Okay. So till Isha is coming,
Okay,
um,
okay.
yeah, I will tell you before going on, like I need to ask, the documentation part is necessary, sir?
Yes, the documentation part is necessary. Oh, sorry, I have missed it over here. Like for with major project, you have to also submit the report. Okay. Like for report, if you want an example for that, so just ping me on WhatsApp. I will provide you a demo file through which you can create your own. Okay. Don't copy that. Just for example, so that whatever content you can write inside it, you can get an idea. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Um,
Wait. Okay, just a second.
yes, sir. Mm,
Okay, so now every member of group one is here, so we can start with the presentation. So
okay.
you can guys share your screen and let me know.
So Isha will be sharing the screen call. She has done a front end part of it,
Okay, okay,
and
no
I will be
problem.
explaining. So Isha,
Okay,
can you share your screen? Great. Okay. So this is the front page that we have created with an header and a two
okay,
button of login and sign up. And
okay,
if we scroll down, then we have this templates of like feature sections. And then we have something below it.
okay, good.
Okay. So this is an action button. Create your free account now. So this will redirect to sign up page, I guess. If not, then we'll implement it.
Yes,
And below is the footer, the copyright one. Okay. So can we go to the sign up page? So here is the sign up page. On the left side, we have the you can say design factor, and on the right side we have the form of creating the account. So here the user
Okay.
can fill the details. So Isha can quickly fill the details. Okay, so here is after creating the account, the user will be redirecting to the dashboard. Okay, so
Okay.
we need
Okay.
to create the dashboard and other flows also, and the part of uh, backend stuff for user authentication, mail verification, and yeah, I guess this is it. And the OTP and all the things are being and forgot password are all being created at the backend stuff. Now we will be slowly implementing that to the front end. So for now, this is the
Okay.
like demo front end. Then we will create the front end part ahead of this. So
Okay.
Isha is working on the sort section. Harsh is working on the like some public pages, like we have the uh, what we say about and privacy policy and all that pages. And
o-
Sushmita is working with the error pages and also some dashboard pages. And
Okay.
Shraddha and I is working on the backend part.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the
So
flow of our team.
is there anything you have implemented in the backend portion or other teammates like Sushmita was doing what?
Uh, Sushmita is working with error pages and dashboard pages.
Okay. Okay. So is there something else which you can present?
For now, so mostly the backend part is done
Okay.
because
Great.
after the backend part is set up, then only the flow of the front end we are following. Like we are not doing that first. We will make the static front end for each and every page. Then after the backend is made, then we will again refactor the front end to have the API section. So that will cause a little time. So I was
Yes.
thinking that side by side backend is going on, side by side front end is also going on. So we need not to refactor the code again and again.
Yes. 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 Great.
So the
Great.
I can tell you that in the front end part, the user auth is completed and the admin section is also completed.
Okay.
Now we need to work on the canvas thing where we can draw and download the images and something like that.
Yes.
So for that, sir, I was wondering that in the documentation of that
Yes.
PDF file, you
Yes.
have listed that we need to use formic, yup, and the conva.js. So instead of using formic and yup, I have
Yes.
implemented the like direct
Yes, yes.
what we
No,
say.
see,
Okay.
that is just for the you can say specification or description of the problem statement. If you
Yes.
are using alternate tools, then no problem in that. Okay, so don't worry about that.
Okay.
It's up to that. You have to provide at last those feature which is mentioned. Like I
Um,
have already show you the demo with the Excali draw that
yes.
how the things are created. So you have to
So
just
yes, sir.
yeah.
I was wondering that instead of conva.js, can
Yes.
I use directly the API of Excalidraw? So it will have
Yes, you
more
can.
features.
Yes, it will make the work
Yeah.
easy for you.
Yes.
Just
Yes,
if
sir.
you are using the API, then please make sure that all the other things must be in good, like
Yeah.
design part and other things are
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
maintained. Okay.
For that only, I am taking the Excalidraw.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Now, then you can use that. No problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So this is all for now.
Okay. Okay. Great. Then, let me just ask the other members to also join. Just a second.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Prashant.
Hello, sir.
Yes. So Prashant, if you want, I can add you in a group, like in group two. which is
Okay.
for now having only three members, I guess. So if you want, I can add you in that group. So connect with them so that it will be easy for you also to create the project.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay. It's up to you that if you want to create the individual project, then no problem. But if you want, then I can add.
सर एक्चुअली प्रोजेक्ट तो मैंने बना लिया बट पिन अप ग्रुप में ऐड कर दीजिए आई जस्ट
Okay, okay. So just do one thing, then drop your contact number in the chat box so that I can share it
ओके
with them.
हाँ ओके सर Yes, I updated it.
Okay, okay. Just a second. Let me share it with them.
Sure.
Okay, so we are going to wait for 2 to 3 minutes. If someone from group two will join, then we are going to start. Okay. Otherwise, we will end the session here because two are outside. They are texting me that they are connecting in few minutes. So we will wait up to that. Up to then, if there is any doubt regarding anything like how to submit the project, what is the email, and other things, you can ask. In between, like today is 7. So on Monday, 13th is the day on which I will take the presentation. Okay. So in between, I can take a review session more so that I can check that okay that everything is going fine. So for that I will inform you that in your respective groups. So then also join the session. After 2 to 3 days, suppose on Friday I can take a session. So I will let you know about that. Okay. And like you want to see the report, like how the report has to be done. Let me just also share that, like not sharing, just opening that so that you can know that how to create it. Wait. Wait, I guess it is the project one. Sorry, just a second. Vivek, actually, uh, there any exclusive kit? Just a second. This is basically based on management. Okay, so like they will check the best performer out of other internship also, and will provide them this like role in future for the internship program. So not like a exclusive kit, but if you stand out among others, then you will get a chance for the internship in future. So that is there. Okay, so Abhishek from group 2 has joined. So hello Abhishek, good evening.
Hello, sir.
not able to hear your voice. So just Abhishek, ask other member of your group to join. Okay. So Vishal, Abhishek has joined. So Prashant, I have added you to the group two, which is Vishal, Abhishek, Manali, and have Vatsal contacted with you, Vishal?
नो सर, वत्सल है, वत्सल ने अभी तक नहीं करा सर कांटेक्ट।
Okay, okay. Then in play right now, Prashant is there in the session. He is now added to your group. You,
यस
Abhishek, and Prashant and Manali are the final four members of your
प्रशांत
group.
हैज
Okay.
टेक्स्टेड मी।
What?
सर प्रशांत ने टेक्स्ट कर दिया है मेरे को।
Okay, okay. Then just let me know that up to what you have created, like any progress in your project.
सर इन माय टीम we have just made a authentication part and login sign up only for backend, and other parts are is also in progress, and
Okay,
it hasn't pushed to yet on GitHub collaboration. So we have just made it authentication login part.
okay. So have Manali is also in your group. So are you guys working on the project? Like if you can show me that up to what you have created, then it will be good.
Okay, sir. Wait, let me show it.
Oh, okay, okay.
So can I share my screen?
Yes, yes, Vishal, for sure.
Sir, here's is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes, 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 your screen is visible.
Okay, sir. Here's the our last and final project, and I made it backend authentication and login
Okay,
process. And here's the authentication controller. I've made it, and here's the middleware. I've added authentication JS, which I've used JSON Web Token, and also models. We go to the model part. Here's the user.js, which I've added make the user schema, which is authenticate users, which we make new users to them. And in the next, it is auth.js, which authenticate the user. And here's all
okay,
the routers, post route to register new part, and dot post login part. Here's the slash login slash logout slash me is like to check where is the am I login or not. It's the and put update details. Put method. Here's the update password.
okay,
Here's the we have created and .env. Also here's the and we went to the server.js. So here's we added. Here's my so let us start this server and start. So now my server has started. Some warnings it is showing. I will figure it out later.
okay. No
So
problem.
now
But still,
let's
server is running on
go to
port
the
5000.
https // colon 8000 5000
5.
5000 slash API slash auth slash login. I think. Something, something I refer.
It's HTTP, not HTTPS.
Okay, just just wait, sir.
Yes, Harsh, if you have some work, then you can leave.
HTTP colon.
Uh,
Just wait, sir. Just
HT, see, HTTP colon, then
localhost
yes, your full path is not coming.
HTTP s
Yes,
slash
then
slash
double slash
localhost
colon double slash localhost. Yes,
localhost slash
5000 caps lock
localhost colon 5000 slash
and
API
then the route.
APIs slash slash auth. I think now it's working. No, it's not working.
So at 5000, it is working. Just simple, not hit a route.
Just wait. I've made it. Yeah, sir. Now it's working. Here's
Okay.
slash login. So now is let me show it
Restart the
in
server,
a.
guys. I guess.
Just wait, sir. I want to show you Atlas too. I've added Atlas today on this. Also, I've added a MongoDB Atlas, and
Okay.
here's my data. It is
Okay.
now it is connected. Let's go to the other part. Also, let's talk postman.
Postman. Okay.
Here's if I go to the post request on API dot.
Okay. Just 1 minute, Vishal. Okay.
Okay,
Uh,
no issue, sir.
yes, Vishal. Sorry for the interruption. Now we can continue.
Okay, so let's start this. Here's API slash auth
Okay.
slash login. Now script.js. Let me give some input.
Yes, in JSON format, right?
Wait, I resolve username and email and password. Username and is password. Let it send to the bot. Okay, now this getting this was 500 ish. Wait, hold on out. Message is wrong. Sir, it is not correcting. I think.
Okay, okay, no problem. Just check it
No,
at
no,
your end,
sir.
okay?
Success was it. I have to check it
Okay, okay. Don't worry,
because
check
it
it.
is not. It is totally not fully.
Okay.
I filled it.
Just as
I,
on 13 there is final presentation, okay? So just
yes,
make
sir.
sure you have only 5 to 6 days left. So just pace up a
Okay.
bit because Global Connect is a major project and you have to complete all the functionalities over there.
Okay, sir.
Ask your team members also to work properly, okay? Just make sure
Mm,
that all of them will complete the assigned work to them.
okay,
Okay,
sir.
so
I
just
should.
plan accordingly and assign them some work. And with that, I also want to let you know, like group two was not there when I was telling about this, that you have to complete all the 5 mini projects. Out of three must be deployed. Okay, like you have to provide the live link of those mini projects. Out of five, only like three major project is mandatory that you can provide the live link of that. And for major project, it is mandatory that the report must be there and also the live link must be there. So just make sure
Okay,
that
sir.
you have complete all these things, and you have to share it on hr@gncipl.com. Okay, on 13th October, I will going to cross check that first, that have you uh like first of all I will take the presentation and then individually I can see that have you shared it to the mail or not. Only then you will be eligible for the certificate. Okay. So those uh who are in group 2, please connect with Vishal accordingly and just pace a bit because Global Connect is a major project. So you have to work accordingly. Right now, in 2 days, only few things you have done. And I can see only Vishal has shown me the part he has created. So all the others member also participate actively in that. And in between, if I want to take up review session, I will let you know in your group. Okay. So any doubt
Sure,
regarding
sir.
this? Okay. So group one has already shown me that what they have created and also you, Vishal. So I think we can wrap the session. If there is any doubt, then you can let me know. Okay. So any doubt, guys? If not, then you can just leave the session. Thank you so much for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.